Hello friends, myself Monica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are discussing about some important questions of paper 16 Understanding the Self of B.Ed course which were asked in exam papers. Let's start with unit 1, that is the self and human values. Question number 1, give a meaning and definitions of self concept. What are the components of self concept and also give importance of self concept. Question number 2, describe the concept of self-concept in your own words. Question number 3, what are the components of self-concept? Explain the nature of self-concept. Question number 4, what do you mean by self-concept? Describe the factors which affect self-concept. Question number 5, write the importance of self-concept. Explain the various kinds of self-concept. Question number 6, give the concept of self-esteem. Describe the characteristics, components and factors which affect the self-esteem. Question number 7, throw light on the process of socialization and development of self at home. Question number 8, explain in detail the role of family in giving shape to self. Question number 9, explain the role of teacher as a reflective businessman. Question number 10, what is the effect of different dimension of personality on understanding the self? 11, describe in detail the factors influencing the self concept. 12, what is the meaning of self reputation? Explain self reputation formations in reference to self development. 13, teacher is the pivot of whole educational activity. In the light of this statement, discuss the role of teacher as a developer of self-understanding. 14, what is the role of family, community and school in the development of self? Explain the factors leading to the development of positive and negative self of an individual. 15, discuss the process of identity formation, how the peer groups, media messages, technologies and globalization influences the identity formation. 16, describe the 5 universal values in detail. 17, explain the role of different institution and organization in teaching human values. 18, explain the various methods of teaching human values. 19, write the various classification of values in detail. 20th, how to explore attitudes and methods needed for facilitating personal growth. Explain. 21, how to establish peace within oneself. Explain in detail. 22, explain the nature of values. Differentiate between intrinsic and extrinsic values. 23rd, give meaning and definitions of values. Describe different sources of value in detail. 24th, explain the different approaches for teaching human values. 25, what do you know about non-violence? Explain Mahatma Gandhi's concept of non-violence. Next है unit 2, philosophy and psychology of yoga. 26, what is yoga and what are its different types? Explain in detail. 27, what is the contribution of yoga to health in modern world? Explain. 28, what is meant by yoga? Why is yoga called the key to total yoga and mental health? 29th, describe the concept of Sankhya philosophy in detail. 30th, what do you mean by Sankhya philosophy? What are its educational implications? 31, what do you understand by Sankhya philosophy? Explain the relationship between Sankhya philosophy and education. 32, explain the concept of Prakriti and Purusha and their relation with each other in Sankhya philosophy. 33, give a brief account of Sankhya philosophy of causation with special reference to Prakriti Parinamvada. 34, explain Sankhya theory of bondage and liberation in detail. 35, what is Prakriti? What are its gunas? Explain. 36, what is Purusha? Differentiate between Purusha and Prakriti. 37, what do you know about the Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali? Explain in detail. 38, write the therapeutic values of yogic breathing. 39, explain the yogic diet and its impact on health. 40th, why yogasanas are considered important in all types of sports, exercises and activities. Describe in detail. Yogasana are considered to be the best in exercises. Explain in detail. 42. Yogasana method is more important than other methods of exercising. Clarify it. 43. What do you mean by yoga? Describe the importance of yoga for the health needs of children and the role of teacher in imparting yoga education to children. 44. What do you mean by yogasana? Describe the meaning and importance of asana. 45. Define Padmasana. Discuss the methods of performing Padmasana and its benefits. 46. What do you mean by Vajrasana? Discuss its procedure and benefits in detail. 47. Elucidate the benefits and contradictions of Vakrasana and Vajrasana. 48. What do you know about Pranayam? Discuss therapeutic advantages of Pranayam. Next, 49. Write a short note on Ashtanga Yoga, Matsasyasana, Yogic diet, Sirsasana, and last है आपका 50th question. Discuss asanas and their effect to promote a sound physical and mental health. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay home, stay safe.